Hi there, my name is Megha Kamath and I am a skinfluencer. I have been blogging about my journey with acne for the past 3 years. So it started off by me simply documenting my skin on a daily basis and just openly and freely talking about my struggles with acne and however I was feeling that day. And the sole reason why I started my page was because I felt like there was a lack of representation in the acne community in terms of seeing people of my skin tone, my culture, having acne and being transparent with their audience about how they feel. I felt like for a long time that it was this kind of taboo subject in the brown community. Fast forward to now, I have been featured on the Cosmopolitan magazine as a cover star, representing all Indians out there who have struggled with acne and still do struggle with acne. So my journey with acne has been a long one, 6 years to be exact. So I first started getting acne at the age of around 12 when I just hit puberty, and I felt like I was kind of like an outcast, if I'm gonna be honest. Nobody else around me had acne of any kind. So from a young age, I have been made to feel less than just because of my appearance. So over the years, from age 12 till now 19, I have visited multiple dermatologists, been on various prescriptions that I don't even know the names of, antibiotics, changing diets, trying to just completely flip my lifestyle 180, just changing my skincare. I mean, I could go on and on about it.